In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the legend position in your chart. If your chart looks cluttered or the labels are hard to read, adjusting the legend placement can make a big difference. The legend is the key that tells viewers what each color or series represents, and placing it in the right spot helps your data speak clearly. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can make this change confidently. Start by clicking the chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small handles around the edges. This activates the chart's controls and makes the next options available. Next, click the three dots that appear on the chart. This opens a small menu of chart actions. From that menu, choose Edit Chart. This brings up the Chart Editor panel on the side of your screen. If you already see the chart editor, you're in the right place and can keep going. Inside the chart editor, switch to the Customize tab. The editor usually has two main sections: Setup, which controls your data and chart type, and Customize, which is where you fine-tune how the chart looks. Since we're changing the legend's placement, Customize is where we need to be. Now find and click Legend to expand its options. This section is dedicated to how the legend appears, including its position, font, and color in many cases. For now, we'll focus on where the legend sits on your chart. Choose a new position. You can place it on the right, left, top, bottom, or inside the chart. If you want your chart area to stay as wide as possible, top or bottom often works well. If your labels are longer, right or left can give them more room to breathe. And if space is tight, inside can be useful, but make sure it doesn't overlap important data. Pick the option that keeps your chart readable and balanced. As you choose different positions, you'll see how the layout shifts, so you can quickly compare what looks best. When you're satisfied with the new placement, click anywhere outside the chart to apply the change. This confirms your selection and closes any active editing states. The change is saved as part of your sheet, so you're all set. If you ever want to revisit the decision, just repeat these steps and try a different position. A well-placed legend can dramatically improve clarity, especially when presenting or sharing your work.